Hello, my name is Derek, and today I'm going to be teaching you about the shell tool in SolidFace. So I have my part right here in the part window at the origin. I'm going to navigate to the top toolbar, and I'm going to select the shell tool. From here, I have a couple different options: open face, define offset, external shell, and body shell. So these are all pretty self-explanatory. I'm only going to demonstrate open face and body shell for you. So if I select open face tool, I come down here and I select the top face, for example, hit OK. I hit the green check. I see that I have left this top face open and shelled out the entire rest of my part with a thickness of 0.1 in all remaining sides. And if I hover my mouse over the shell 1 operation, you can see the wireframe pertaining to that. So I'm going to go ahead and select shell 1. Instead of open face, I'm going to select body shell. I'm going to select the body that I want to shell, hit OK, and green check. So as you can see here, nothing visually changed, but we still have a shell operation on the left. And if I scroll over that, you can see that the entire inner cavity of this cube is hollow. This is useful for, say, modeling some type of injection molded or perhaps 3D printed part in order to get accurate mass properties when you measure it. So I'm going to select that and delete it one more time. And I'm going to demonstrate the final useful feature of the shell tool, which is offset. So if I hit define offset, I select this face, and I enter in, let's say, a distance of 0.25, the enter key. I select open face. I select the top face here, and I hit the enter key again. We can see now that there is a slight offset from the face that I selected as the offset face to the rest of the shell. So these walls are still 0.1 thick, but this is actually 0.35 in distance, considering the 0.1 thickness I specified and the 0.25 offset that I have from this face. So this is useful if you want to create unique shells, maybe for some type of structural integrity on a more complex part than a cube. That would be useful to demonstrate that type of feature. So that's all. That's a pretty self-explanatory video for the shell operation. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay in the know. And thank you for watching.